So we're here at the new DS series. You see that? You like it?
Yeah, I mean, what I'm picturing here is ideal for mobile DJs, small clubs, bars, functions. And again, maybe you're a band, you know, you've got 5-piece band, drummer, guitarist, vocals. I think gone are the days now of having just a few power cans. You need some effects. Something like this looks to me small, compact. It's got the Laserworld quality. And again, these are all studied and looked at. Am I right in saying every unit is opened up at the Laserworld factory to check?
So the DS-1000 is perfect for DJs, for mobile DJs, but smaller nightclubs as well. It's been designed as fanless system, so you don't have any noise of fans or something like that. And it's also very maintenance friendly because it doesn't have any airflow inside. So there is no fans and there is no air circulation inside the unit, which makes it super service friendly, super maintenance friendly, maintenance free basically, because you don't get all the dust inside, you know, or fog fluid or something. There is basically no residue inside. That's very, very helpful if you use that in a nightclub, for example, where there's a lot of smoke.
I think that's really important, because if you're going to invest in a good laser, what I would do before you look excuse me, at the power output or anything, just make sure that the laser itself is enclosed in its own room, if you can imagine. Because when you have an external fan bringing in the air, it's not only cooling the laser diodes down, but it's also bringing in debris and smoke and just tiny bits of material from the outside environment. And over time, that's going to stick to things. It's going to stick on the mirrors, which in turn will maybe reduce what you think is the power output of the laser, when it isn't. All that's happening is the mirrors are getting covered. So you're not getting the true power. Whereas a unit like this, it's all covered. So as Norbert said, that is completely covered, no debris gets inside, and the laser is pretty much maintenance free.
Yeah, exactly, that's it. And this one is also a pure diode system, means that it's only equipped with laser diodes. That means also it's very maintenance friendly. You normally don't have any issues with a pure diode system. And it's also not sensitive to temperature. So if you have a DPSS green laser inside, usually the units get more temperature sensitive, especially if it gets colder. They probably don't work that good anymore. So below 5 degrees centigrade, it's a bit difficult sometimes. Okay. With a pure diode system, you don't have that issue. So it's also possible to have them work outside in wintertime for outdoor function or whatever you have. So a very versatile system here.
Okay.
RGB for sure.
And the power output?
This one is a 1 watt system. We also have the same in a larger housing for 2 watt and 3 watt. The 2 watt is a substitution for the DS-1000RGB, but the new 2 watt has much more green portion. So the green is much higher, which increases visibility a lot, because many people just feedbacked us, said, okay, we want to have a better visibility on the units. And we said, okay, no problem. We do a completely new setup, and that's it. 1 watt, 2 watt, and 3 watt. So perfect for all different kinds of application in the mid-range, from the small mobile DJ up to the nightclub. Everything's covered.
Fantastic.
And all of them have the new beam shaping technology inside. So the beam is very crisp and clear. We don't have any, fuzziness around the beam anymore. It's really, really crisp, and we improved that a lot. And you can see they still have all the automatic feature, sound to light feature, DMX feature, and of course the professional ILDA interface, so you can control it with a computer, for example, with a Laserworld show editor.